In the grand tapestry of existence, we find a profound concept about the universe's unwavering commitment to restoring the years we consider lost. This idea of cosmic restoration, although initially seeming surreal, is deeply rooted in faith, spirituality, and personal growth. When we embark on this spiritual healing journey, we enter the realm of signs and subtle indicators that reveal the universe's remarkable capacity to renew our lives. The belief that the universe will restore lost years resonates with a sense of hope and wonder, signifying that the universal energy possesses the power not only to fix what seems broken, but also to strengthen and elevate our existence. This transformational journey reveals to us signs of the universe's benevolence, manifesting as a promise of restoration and profound transformation that transcends the limitations of time and circumstances. Through these subtle manifestations of divine timing, the universe shows us that nothing is truly lost, only transformed into lessons and experiences that contribute to our spiritual evolution and personal development. The signs appear as small miracles in everyday life, like doors that unexpectedly open and meaningful connections that emerge at the perfect moment, reaffirming that there is a greater intelligence orchestrating our journey of healing and renewal. One of the most moving signs that the universe is about to restore the years you felt lost resides in the profound experience of healing and wholeness. Emotional wounds, often invisible but deeply felt, have the remarkable ability to impair physical vitality and a person's overall well-being, potentially being more debilitating than physical injuries and casting long shadows over our emotional health journey. When the universe begins its intricate work of restoration, it initiates a gradual process of healing trauma that touches every aspect of your being. Like Sarah, who carried for years the heavy burden of a past filled with emotional scars that affected her physical health, leaving her exhausted and emotionally fragile. Guided by invisible hands, she embarked on a journey of self-discovery, delving into spiritual healing practices and embracing the universe's restorative power. Over time, Sarah managed to free herself from the pain and heartbreak that had kept her captive for so long, experiencing a benevolent force that granted her the ability to forgive those who had deeply wounded her. This emotional transformation was not confined only to the emotional realm. Her physical health also began to witness a remarkable shift, with the universe's healing touch manifesting in her renewed emotional and physical well-being through holistic healing. Another unmistakable sign that the universe is about to restore the years you may have considered lost is in the experience of abundance and the influx of unexpected blessings. When financial prosperity begins to grace your life, it is vital to recognize these blessings as a manifestation of the universe's benevolence. Although this abundance manifestation is not limited to financial matters only, extending its generous hand to all aspects of your existence. Consider the notion of unexpected blessings and divine synchronicities, a concept that speaks to the heart of this sign. Imagine finding yourself encountering favorable circumstances unexpectedly, sometimes in the form of financial gains, but often in the form of blessings that transcend monetary value. Strangers may offer acts of kindness, acquaintances may offer assistance without any apparent cause, and opportunities may arise from unexpected sources through the law of attraction. This extraordinary array of unexpected blessings serves as a testament to the universe's intention to restore all that you may have perceived as lost. They are like small daily miracles that appear precisely when we need them most, reaffirming that the universe is attentive to our needs and working tirelessly to bring balance and prosperity where there was once scarcity and limitation through spiritual abundance. An overwhelming desire to demonstrate kindness and compassion to those around you is another sign that the universe is restoring your wasted years. This inexplicable yearning to serve others transcends mere obligation, transforming into an innate impulse to make the world a better place, as if the universe's benevolence had ignited a flame within you for selfless service. The compassion you develop when facing adversity compels you to help those in need, regardless of the abundance of your resources. This spiritual transformation is not limited to sporadic acts of kindness, but marks a profound change in your character, making your heart a conduit for divine love that channels not only tangible gifts but also meaningful acts that benefit your community and the people around you through compassionate living. His intention to restore your lost years becomes evident in your relentless pursuit of compassion, a sign that your life is undergoing a profound transformation, guided by forces beyond the visible realm. This new orientation towards selfless service reveals that the restoration process involves not only receiving, but also giving generously, thus completing the cosmic cycle of giving and receiving through spiritual generosity. One of the crucial signs that the universe is actively engaged in restoring the years you may have considered lost is the remarkable increase in inner strength and resilience in the face of life's numerous challenges and adversities. This newfound fortitude equips you with the unwavering determination to confront and overcome obstacles, as if the universe is granting you the strength to weather life's storms through spiritual resilience. The restoration process is often accompanied by a rediscovery of your life's purpose, as due to various circumstances you may have momentarily lost sight of your true calling. However, the universe, in its infinite wisdom, guides you toward rekindling that inner spark, allowing you to discover or reignite the purpose of your life, a clarity intertwined with your newfound strength through divine guidance. This alignment between inner strength and purpose serves as a powerful sign that the universe is diligently working to restore your life, signifying that it is not only repairing what may have been fractured, but also empowering you to emerge from adversity even stronger and more determined than before. It's like a phoenix rising from the ashes, transforming pain into power and confusion into clarity of direction through spiritual transformation. A profound realignment of your will with the universe's ordained purpose for your life is another indication that the universe is restoring your seemingly wasted years. As spiritual restoration unfolds, you will observe a subtle yet transformative shift in your preferences, particularly those that may not align with the universe's divine plan, realigning not just your tastes but your desires as well. Your newfound alignment with the universe's will bestows upon you a deep sense of joy and fulfillment, as if you had discovered the missing piece in the intricate puzzle of your life's mission. Happiness flows effortlessly, stemming from the knowledge that your life is unfolding exactly as the universe intended, signaling a crucial step in the restoration process and indicating that your life is being guided back on course by celestial forces through divine purpose. Moreover, this alignment fosters a profound sense of inner peace, finding solace in the knowledge that your choices and actions are harmoniously attuned to the universe's grand design. The universe's promise to restore your lost years encompasses a spiritual and existential transformation in which your very essence becomes aligned with the cosmic purpose, infusing your life with meaning and satisfaction through spiritual alignment. A remarkable sign that the universe is actively engaged in restoring the years you may have considered wasted is the intensifying hunger for a deeper spiritual connection. It's as if a thirst for divine knowledge and communion has awakened within you, propelling you toward a profound and transformative journey, where simple prayers become potent gateways to a sense of divine connection and spiritual enlightenment. Beyond religious affiliations and dogmas, this heightened spiritual awareness transcends both encompassing a profound recognition of the interconnectedness of all life and a deep reverence for the mysteries of the universe. The universe's restoration process is not merely about the restitution of material aspects of life, but encompasses a profound spiritual renewal that elevates your consciousness through spiritual awakening. Discovering the wisdom of the universe through spiritual texts and mindfulness practices deepens your understanding of life's purpose, with spiritual growth and enlightenment symbolizing the universe's active involvement in your restoration journey. Like a garden finally receiving water after a long drought, your soul blossoms with new understanding and connection, bringing to light forgotten aspects of your true and divine essence through higher consciousness.